Let's be honest. When your credit is holding you back, the last thing you want to hear is just be patient. You want real answers. You want to know how long will it take to actually see results on your credit report. Let me break it down for you. Most of our clients start seeing some results within the first 30 to 45 days. Why? Because once we start sending out the dispute letters for you to the credit bureaus, they actually have 30 days to investigate and respond. If the creditor doesn't respond in time or can't verify the item as well as can't validate it, it must be corrected or removed from your credit profile. If you're aiming for a full transformation, like raising your score between 100 to 150 points, that takes consistent effort from us as well as from you, depending on the situation. Remember, we're not just removing the negative, we're also helping you build strong, positive credit habits. So what can speed things up? That's paying down high balances, adding rental or utility history to your credit report, notifying us via live chat in your Chess portal about the responses that you have received from the credit bureaus, and following our customized game plan that we specifically and uniquely designed for you. Here's a quick reality check. Your credit didn't fall overnight, so fixing it right away takes time, but it's definitely worth it. Now, if you're ready to get started and you want to improve the quality of your life, go to www.credithealing.org. And if you have any questions, you can also reach out to us at credithealing@gmail.com. Your future is not based on your past. It's based on the actions you take next. Let's rebuild it one step at a time. Peace.
In 30 days.
100 points within
This is what I got for instant improvement.
Here and give a testimonial about credit.